Hello and welcome guys to the third video of face mesh development, and this video is not actually a part of the development series, but this is about telling some tricks about string handling that we're going to be using in a project. So let's get started.
A string is basically a sequence of characters which have indexes. A part of a string is called a substring, such as B, C, D. A substring has two parts: actual start index, actual end index, such as 1 and 3. 1 points to B and 3 points to D in B, C, D. In Python, if x equals A, B, C, D, E, x actual start index colon actual end index plus 1 represents a substring. What this means is that BCD is equal to x1 colon 3 plus 1. This is confusing, but it's really important. What you need to remember is that when you make the ending index, just add 1 to it. So let me just quickly show you in code. There it is. To find a string inside a string in Python, we use a function called find in Python, which accepts two arguments: what you need to find and from where you need to find. Now let's say you have a string, hello, my name is hello, and you needed to find hello inside it. Well, you would say, which hello, the first one or the second one? We're gonna answer that, but just wait for a moment. Now you need to know that the default value of from where you need to find is 0. That means that if we don't specify the second argument of the find function, the find function is basically gonna look from the 0 index of the string. So here we have a find function which has only the first argument, which is hello, and doesn't have any second argument. Due to this, it's going to start looking inside the string x from the 0 index and is going to find hello at the 0 index only, and it's going to give the output 0. And yes, of course, the 0 is the index of first character of first hello in x. I wrote this because I needed to tell you that whenever the find function finds something or finds a string, it basically returns us the index of the first character of the string that it was finding. Cool. Now yes, of course, you needed to add an x dot to specify that you were finding inside the string x. Now if you take this x dot find and add 1 to it, you're basically pointing on to an index which is ahead of the position of hello. Now if you take in another x dot find and start finding an hello from this index, which is an index ahead of the first hello, you're basically finding an hello after the first hello, so you're finding the second hello. That is why you're gonna get 17 as the output, which is basically the index of first character of second hello in x. So let me just quickly show you in code again. There it is.